The Supreme Court today sought responses from 20 rebel TMC MPs on a plea filed by TMC leader and Lok Sabha MP Abhishek Banerjee, who has approached the top court seeking an early decision on disqualification petitions pending against the lawmakers under the anti-defection law. Well, the case concerns 20 TMC MPs who allegedly switched alliance away from the party and subsequently formed a separate grouping. Disqualification petitions were filed against them under the 10th schedule of the Constitution, which provides for disqualification of lawmakers on grounds of defection. However, the petitions have remained pending before the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, who is the competent authority to decide such matters in the House. Abhishek Banerjee has now moved the Supreme Court seeking directions for an expeditious decision on the pending petitions. His plea argues that the matter should not remain unresolved indefinitely and that a decision should be taken within a reasonable time frame. And during today's hearing, the Supreme Court issued notices to the 20 rebel MPs and other concerned parties seeking their responses to Banerjee's plea. However, the bench stopped short of issuing a notice to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla at this stage, and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appeared for the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. Mehta requested the court not to issue a notice to the Speaker immediately, saying that he would first obtain instructions from the Speaker and inform the court about his position. The Supreme Court accepted the request and decided to wait for the Solicitor General's response before taking any further step regarding the Speaker. Justice Bagchi observed that the court did not want to issue directions to a constitutional authority, and at the same time the bench emphasized that such matters should be decided within a reasonable period. The dispute comes amid a major political crisis within the TMC following the party's political setback in West Bengal. A group of 20 Lok Sabha MPs allegedly broke away from the TMC under the leadership of Kekoli Ghosh, who was once considered a close Mamata Banerjee aide but later became a vocal critic of the party leadership. The rebel MPs reportedly formed a separate grouping known as NCPI, and their alleged departure from the TMC triggered the disqualification petitions, with the party seeking action under the anti-defection provisions of the Constitution. The Supreme Court's latest intervention does not mean that the rebel MPs have been disqualified, and the court has only sought their responses to Abhishek Banerjee's plea seeking an early decision, and the final authority on the pending disqualification petition remains an important issue in the proceedings. Well, the case is significant because decisions on defection petitions can have a direct impact on the strength and political composition of a party in the parliament. A prolonged delay in deciding such petitions has also been a subject of debate in several earlier political cases. And for now, the Supreme Court has kept the Speaker outside the notice process while asking Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to seek instructions from him. The matter is expected to come up again after the responses of the 20 rebel MPs are received and the court is informed about the Speaker's position. The proceedings could determine how quickly the pending disqualification petitions move forward and may have significant political implications for both the TMC and the 20 rebel lawmakers. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.